Ladies and gentlemen, today, we take a journey into the realm of sheer automotive perfection. This is the 2025 Bugatti Chiron. A hypercar that doesn't just break records, it redefines them. Join us as we explore the latest marvel from Bugatti, where luxury meets speed like never before. First, let's talk about design. Bugatti has always been known for blending artistry with engineering, and the 2025 Chiron is no exception. The sculpted aerodynamics aren't just for looks, they serve a purpose. The elongated C-line signature isn't just an aesthetic choice, it actively channels air to enhance performance. Speaking of performance, this adjustable rear wing adapts dynamically based on speed and driving mode, providing the perfect balance between downforce and drag reduction. At the heart of this beast lies an engineering masterpiece, an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing a mind-boggling 1,600 horsepower. The result? A top speed of over 300 miles per hour. And the 0 to 60? Just under 2.3 seconds. The acceleration is otherworldly. The sheer G-force pins you to the seat, as if the laws of physics simply don't apply to this car. The Chiron's cockpit is a fusion of minimalism and ultra-luxury. Unlike modern hypercars filled with distracting touchscreens, Bugatti keeps it elegant. A sophisticated analog speedometer reminds us of the purity of driving. Every detail inside the Chiron is handcrafted with the finest materials on Earth, carbon fiber, titanium, and even real silver accents. It's not just a car, it's an experience. So, what's it like to drive? Unlike many track-focused hypercars, the Chiron offers an unparalleled blend of speed and comfort. Engage EB mode for a refined, grand tourer experience. But switch to top speed mode, and the beast awakens.